Hello everybody, welcome to the lesson about cupcakes. In the machine, scoop them in an ice cream scoop till a centimeter below the paper cup. Just nice and gentle, cut into it. And it feels really good. Hello everybody, welcome to the lesson about cupcakes. We're going to run you through the basic recipe. For that recipe we have the following ingredients. We got eggs, we got pastry flour, so all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, soft room temperature butter, water, salt, baking powder, vanilla extract and oil. So let's start with adding the flour that I put through a sieve before I put it in this basket in the machine, together with the sugar and the rest of the ingredients. Vanilla extract, water, salt, baking powder, softened butter, and the oil. Why I'm using the oil as well as butter is because butter will always try to get back to its solid form after baking. The oil will keep the cupcake longer moist. And we're going to add in the eggs. I saw a little bit of eggshell came with it. And a second one. And we're going to mix this on a low speed for roughly 1 minute until it's all cooperated together. Just keep your eyes on it. When it's a nice smooth batter, we will deposit them in the muffin trays with little paper cups. Make sure your oven is at 160 degrees Celsius, and we will bake them for roughly 20 minutes, 16 till 20 minutes. This is speed 1 on my mixer. I always put it on the really lowest possible speed I can to incorporate all the ingredients so there is no more sugar and flour left. And then I add it on the speed I want. And now we're going to mix this until everything is dissolved nicely into each other and we have a nice cupcake batter. Batter has mixed for 1 minute, so let's turn it off and look at it. It's a really nice and even batter. Try to mix a little bit of the sides in. And let's scoop them in an ice cream scoop, and this is the number 16 ice cream scoop. What does the number mean in the scoop? It's 1 liter of ice cream. With this scoop you get 16 scoops out of it. So I use the 16. Let's deposit them until a centimeter below the paper cup. This recipe will give you enough for about 8 cupcakes. So I got a little bit left over in the bowl. You can safely store it for an hour when these are baking and then use it again. So now we're going to put them in an oven of 160 degrees for roughly 16 to 20 minutes, depending on how your oven will be baking. So here are the cupcakes straight out of the oven. And if you look good, you see one mistake or something that happens very regularly in a hot air oven is that we got two flat surfaces. What happened is that I put the cupcakes close to the fan in the oven and the top part starting to bake already. And the moment the baking powder started to work, it just worked the entire top part out of it. And then we got this kind of bakings. If you have that regular bases in your oven, instead of just like nice rounded cups, you can add some coarse granulated sugar on top, and that will break your batter during the baking process, and that will help make nice half spheres on top. So these are now fresh out of the oven, and we're going to take a look at the inside. Just nice and gentle, cut into it, and we see a nice evenly structure, no large differences, and it feels really, really good. Nice. And this will stay moist to up to 3 days if you store them in an airtight container. Thank you everybody for watching the cupcake course. Good luck and see you in the next lesson. Hello everybody, welcome to the lesson about cupcakes. In the machine, scoop them in an ice cream scoop, so a centimeter below the paper cup. Just nice and gentle, cut into it, and it feels really, really good.